tumesema from January tunaweka pesa you automate the revenue system in hospitals, land rates, virtually capturing all our revenue streams. And next week, I would like to see the revenue account officers on Wednesday at 9:30. 9:30 more officials, or sub-county revenue officers. You must justify why you have to be in your offices or to be in those positions by the 1st of March. Kwa sababu we are not collecting revenue. Ile pesa inakuja hatujui kumekuwa namna gani. When you look at what used to be collected 2-3 years ago, that has dropped down by over 100 million.
As of 23rd October 2017, we had 5,822 persons employed by the county government of Meru. 5,822. Of these, 4,601 were employed on permanent and pensionable terms, while 1,030 were employed as casuals. The total revenue for this county is about 9 billion Kenya shillings. Our total wage bill is slightly over 7 billion Kenya shillings. This huge bill has greatly reduced our development capacity. When the head count was done, 1,783 employees did not show up. We shall give them another chance. We shall give them another chance to show up. I believe there must be quite a number of ghost workers in this county. The systems, there have been illegal, irregular, and erratic recruitment, discipline, promotion, and the redeployment of staff in the county.